we have to find measure of angle KLN. Let's start. What we have given. On this diagram we have that NK segment is perpendicular to LK ray. So we can write that NK segment is perpendicular to LK ray. And we have given also that NM segment is perpendicular, we have a square here, to LM ray. NM segment is perpendicular to LM ray. And because we have these red marks, it means that NK is equal to NM. Because NK segment is congruent to NM. We have these red marks, so it means that these two segments are congruent. So now, by converse of the angle bisector theorem, we have that LM ray bisects KLM angle. So, if LN ray bisects KLM angle, it means that angle KLN is congruent to angle NLM. It means that measure of angle KLN is equal to measure of angle NLM. And we have given that measure of angle NLM is 48 degrees. So we found that measure of angle KLN is equal 48 degrees. This is my solution.